So next one is mouse right click. Okay, so mouse right click is nothing but, so this is a button. If I look at it is a normal button, but so next website is, we are going to see this website. This one, what we are going to do is, this is called right click. So what does mean by right click is, in the mouse we are going to use the right button. Usually we use the left click button. Now if you click on the right button in the mouse, it automatically displays some element. So whatever item I click, it will show a pop-up box and says that you have clicked the edit. Okay, so see, if I perform the another operation like right click, cut, it just says that you have clicked the cut. Again I click copy, it says click to copy. Like that, whatever options you are going to select, it shows the text above. Just it shows or not, nothing, not an issue for us. We are just going to make the mouse action, click this button, and we are going to select this option from using the mouse action. That is called right click. Okay, you understood?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
normally we do a left click, here we are going to do a right click. That's it. So how we are going to do it? So we are going to use a method called content click off. So content click is for doing the mouse right click option, and we are going to use that method. Other than that, everything is going to remain the same. So first we are going to open the Chrome driver, and we are going to open the URL, maximizing the window. We have created an action class object, and now we are going to identify the button. So how we identify? Normally, if I want to inspect this element, I will just right click, inspect element, and I'm going to select and click the element and get the XPath of that element, and I'm just going to paste it here. So HTML body div section span, this is my XPath. I'm going to store it inside a variable called button, and I stored it inside web element class. Now I'm going to perform the right click on the button. So for performing the right click on the button, I'm going to use the action variable object dot content click off button dot build off dot perform off. That's it. The single method. Content click method name will be different, and you're going to use this name. Build off dot perform off is normal method. So next, once I click it, what will be the next option? I need to go to the next step. See, this is not possible. So first I click this, then I navigate it to that option, right click. Now I need to see. Now here you can't go to inspect element option. That is not possible using right click. So I will go through F12, because if you press right click, this option will go move on. So I need to use this option only. So for XPath, we are going to just copy this XPath, and just we are going to paste it here, and we click that option. So once we click this, it will automatically opens the alert box. So what is the thing for alert box? Driver dot switch to dot alert of dot get text of. So if
Get
I
text.
want to get the text of this element, whatever element I have clicked, I want to get the message, means I am going to use the get text of alert method to get the element, and it will get printed out. And if I want to click the OK button, again I can say that driver dot switch to off dot alert off dot accept. So here one difference. Can you identify what is the difference? Previously in our alerts program, how we write the program? We will not be using multiple times. So we will use an alert class and create an object. We store this thing inside that object, and we will be using only this object name
Object
whenever we
only.
require.
Okay.
Yeah, directly we
It,
what we are doing it. We are using again and again driver dot switch to off dot alert of dot get text off, or driver
mm,
dot switch to off dot alert of dot accept off. You can either use this or that process is also correct. Okay, if you create a class name, then if you create an object name, if you are using that object name to fetch the text means that is also correct. See, this name I have used in two places. Simple alert dot get text of, simple alert dot accept of. But for 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of code, here we reduced it to 2 lines of code because here it is a simple process. We are not concentrating much on a text box. We are going to only, sorry, alert box. We are going to only get the text and we are going to click the OK. So I think that creating a class name is not mandatory for this. But this program we created specially for the alert. For that reason, I taught you in this process. Okay, so you can directly write this, or you can like our web element only. So if I want to use the short form, I can use a create a web element class and I will be storing the values, right? See here, like this. I can directly say that driver.find element by.xpath of dot click of driver.find element, like that I can give, or I can store it inside the web element and you can use this name like that. If I want to use simple method, I can use the alert class and I can use the method names directly, or if you want to use in this format also correct. Both are correct. Okay. So what it will do, it will automatically right click and here I have given copy box. It will click the copy option and it will get the text from that alert box and it will click the accept off option. See, it clicked the copy and it shows the text. Click the copy, text will be displayed. Okay.